Hello everybody, welcome to another video by Techno Guy Game God, and in this video I will be teaching you how to make a simple game in Python called Libs. So Libs is a really famous game and you can play it on Google Assistant also. So it is a really famous game played all over the world, and in this video I will be teaching you guys how to make a Python program with the Libs game in it. So it is really easy for beginners and you can just type a little bit of code with 10 inputs for each word, and the words will be embedded into a story as the instructions say here. Alright, so I have started by naming this program with a comment, Libs in Python. Then I have printed welcome, and I'm also printing the instructions here. So the instructions are as follows. You have to type 10 words which the computer will ask you, and the words will be embedded into a story and the story will be narrated to you. Alright, so the words can be anything: adjectives, pronouns, nouns, numbers, adverbs, colors, or places. Alright, so this is a really fun game and let's start. Before that, I will encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos. Alright, let's start. So now that I've printed the instructions, I will be asking the user to start typing. Alright, so before that, to make this game more interesting and realistic, I am going to import the time module. You've seen me use the time module in many of my videos. It's a really fun module to work with. Alright, so I am going to put a time.sleep for 1 second between each of these commands. Alright, so this will print one sentence after the other after an interval of 1 second. Alright, so now that's done, I shall start taking the inputs from the user. So word 1, I will just create a variable called word1 or w1. So w1 is going to be a string. So a string is any text in Python, and it's a data type in Python which is used really often. So this is a really special word input which enables the user to type his input over here, and this is just a caption to tell the user what he has to type. Alright, so I will just type here, give me a noun. Alright, and I'm just gonna copy paste that 10 times, and I will just rename that. Alright, so now that I have defined my 10 inputs over here, each with a different input asking for a different input. So here it's a noun, adjective, color or place, preferably a building, adverb, pronoun, adjective, noun, color, number. So I'm taking 10 words from the user which will be embedded into one of our stories. So guys, in this story I'm going to make an imaginary story, something related to sports. Alright, so let me start by printing the story. Before that, I will just define it to keep things simple. Define function called story. So in story, I will be printing out the story along with the words. Alright, so I'm going to finish typing my story now. Alright, so I have finished typing my story here, and I have just typed like this with bits and pieces of the story with the input words in between. So just to spice things up a bit, I'm going to add a time.sleep for 1 second for each fragment of the story. I'll just select that, and I'll copy paste that over here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Next, I'm going to ask the user, I'm just going to tell the user, hope you enjoyed the story. Alright, so that will be the end of my program. And before that, I will just say \n to leave a new line. Come back again later. Alright, so after that I'm going to exit the program. So that's my story function over here, and it will be run after W10, the word 10 is taken. Alright, so I can say that this is a really corny story and it is not nice. So it's really basic, but you can take more words from the user if you want, and you can write a really exciting story. Creativity is the key. Especially the person who is writing the program, he has to have a lot of creativity. Alright, so we can just run this and test out my really stupid story. Kind of really simple. Mad Libs. I'm gonna name it Mad Libs and save it here. Alright. Alright, so it's really realistic and it's fun. Alright, so I will say football because it's a ball sport. And adjective is fun. Color is white. And place is beach. And adverb is fast. And name, alright, so I can give the name of my best friend, Brian. And a pronoun, he. And another adjective, gold, no, say awesome. A reward shall be a trophy. And another color is gonna be gold. And final number is gonna be 5. Alright, so the story is gonna run. Oh, alright, so the story did not run because I forgot to run the function here. Sorry about that. So I will run this function here, not there, here. So story function is being run here. Make sure the indentation is good, and we can run that again. I will type the same adjectives, the same words over there. Alright, so I have my inputs typed over there. So I'll just run that and our story will be generated. 3 seconds for the story to generate. Alright. That's spawning really fast. Alright, so I'll just read that out for you. Hello, you're gonna play football. It is a really fun sport and it is really what's happening there. Alright, so it is played with a white colored ball. Alright, so let's go to the nearby beach and play. You have to play fast to win football. Your opponent Brian plays fast. He is really super. Start playing. You have won the match and you have beaten Brian with a lead of 5 points. Congrats. You have won a nice gold trophy. Congratulations. Amazing. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed the story. Come back later. Alright, so it has been really fun over here. As I said, you can make a long story with a lot more inputs over there, but it's really fun. So this is a really corny and dull story. It's really bland. I didn't like it much, but this is just to show you guys how things are done. Alright, so hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my videos, and give this video a like. Alright, have a good day and goodbye.